one thing you can do as a homeowner to protect your home against heat loss or cooling loss is to install a attic tent, which is simply a reflective zipper tent at the top of your staircase for the attic that protects from heat and cooling loss. So this one does not have it, but it's very simple to install as a homeowner. So we're in the attic. We're documenting the condition of the furnace. So I'm checking interior components to see if we've had any issues. So everything looks good on the interior. It's important to check your condensate clean out on an annual basis, and as simple as just pouring some water down it to make sure that it's clear. If the condensate's backed up, it can lead to interior damage and potential microbial growth inside your home, which can lead to allergy issues and or health issues. So it's as simple as that. Now we're going to go through and check for any structural issues in the framing. We're looking for cracked or broken trusses or bad areas of insulation in the home. So when we're looking at trusses, we're looking for any that have been damaged and or repaired. This one shows evidence of attempted repairs. As you can see, this is checked that the wood is split. Naturally, it'll split and flake off. This one has done so to a point they tried to repair it. Anytime we have an issue like this, any repairs need to be documented by a structural engineer with a letter of approval. This one does not show any evidence of that. It most typically is a homeowner repair, and we're going to recommend a general contractor to look at it, which may lead to a structural engineer being called out on site. Being that it's not completely broken in half, a structural engineer is not as imperative as just determining the appropriate fix, whether or not it needs to be completely replaced or just strengthened up with other pieces of wood. Pictures are a home inspector's best friend because they protect us against all kinds of lawsuits and or litigation from people that don't believe what we found. We recommend that the homeowner does not walk the attic unless they are competent doing so they don't fall through the ceiling. So aside from a couple of minor things, the attic looks like it's in pretty good shape. So we will move down to the crawl space of the home and see what the conditions are there. You excited about the house?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
For sure.
There's no such thing as a perfect house anywhere I look. And I go way across the board and over the top finding stuff on the home because I want you to be well informed about what you have. So it might look big and scary when the report comes in. Everything's fixable. It's just a matter of when you want to get it fixed. I don't want to say anything that's going to scare you. I want to say everything that's going to tell you what's going on with your house that you're purchasing. It's the biggest purchase you're making in your life. You want to know what you're buying.